достар достар және міне жаңа достар мен видео түсіріп кеткен болатынмын кубының ребі. Достар, енді достар қиғаш бетті құттықтап қояйық достар. Оған джекпоттан күміс кнопка түсті, магический куб, және де оған ютубтан күміс кнопка берген ғой. Міне достар 18-ақ минут болыпты достар. Лайк біз каналына тіркеп кетіріңіздер достар. Қарап кетейік ал достар. Достар, мен сіздермен бүгін мастердің ойын түсіретін боламын достар. Лайк бас каналға тіркеп отырыңыздар. Ал біз кеттік. Ал достар, бұл мен видео емес достар. Бұл бір мастердің ойыны достар. Міне көріп тұрсыздар, міне мына тұр ғой, міне бірінші, міне ортасында тұр. Сол достар, мен сол видеоны түсіретін боламын достар. Лайк бас каналға тіркеп кетіңіздер.
Staying forever young. If you play me, you're done. Look out, I'm about to make it. I ain't faking what was breaking in. These fans have been waiting patiently to see me take it. I think that it's time to stay and concentrate. The charts I'm taking in. I make all of these statements cause my mind's never complacent yet. Lately I've been on some different shit. I'm making beats, filling seats, man, it's fucking lit. And I proceed with my I think I got just what you need, girl, try a sip. She drank the Kool-Aid, I can see it on your lips. She wanna party with the best chick, grab a fit. Tripping hard on this beat, man, my mind's lit. Back and forth from what I want and what I'm gonna get. I keep my head down, grind up, moving on. I keep my mind clear as I write every song. Nothing's off limits, no opinions, nothing's wrong. I free my mind every time, try to keep it going. 100 songs in 100 weeks, what the fuck? Yo, how these dudes keep writing? Do they cheat or what? Nah, bitch, we just know how to get what we want. And we're good at what we do, it's never enough. I ain't playing anymore, I'ma shut the door, ignore all the fucking idiots, turn them into corpses. So sore from ripping on these vocal cords, they're like swords cut deep as my words are born, I'm upset. Cause ain't nobody heard of us yet. You know when the first man bet, and we ain't never ever gonna forget until my time was blood and sweat. This shit worth it, y'all give a man purpose. Y'all make a man kill it when I'm performing these verses. It'd be a disservice. On the rise now. Endless celebrations all in my house. Levitating now, I'm super duper fly now. London boy, but they see where I reside now. Put the time in while you always yelling time out. And for quit it, cause I know I'm coming with it. You were sitting, you were watching, I was handling my business. Now I got the ball like I'm playing Quidditch. And my business is humongous, you would think that happens in there. Oh man, I'm all that, yeah, I'm all that. Looking for that whip, yeah, that what you call that. Blow up in the summer, have them yelling fall back. And I've always been bro, that's lot of haters. Tell me where they at though. I'm the new pop, all I do is rap though. Want me on your song, throw a couple. Yo, woo. Everybody wanna do the same thing. That's why we ain't on the same page. Do my own thing and I maintain. Flow like mainstream. I'm going mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. Yeah, I'm going mainstream. Flow like what's on mainstream. So I'm going mainstream. I'm going mainstream. Damn. will not impact. Past painful scars, in fact, I blast tasteful thoughts and past. I back up my actions, that don't ask. Grab reactions, jacked attack with every word, then act with class as they hear me snap. I got nothing to lose, cause I fought and felt the bruise. Now I'm not the one confused, call the shots and they produce. I ain't lost, I'm finally loose. Pick a new silver excuse. I need the views to boost me to a new abuse of being used. Everybody wants a piece now, don't go rest in peace now. You're dead to me, so peace out. Remember you're discreet now. Get ready for defeat now. I'm gonna make you bleed out. Listen on repeat now and read out all the weak now. Get up and make a change. Don't remember yesterday. If you got something to say, speak your mind before your grave. Cause your life is yours to save. Ain't nobody gonna change. Everybody stays the same. So be different, make a name, huh? I keep on moving forward. Always getting closer. I'm marching till it's over. And just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward. Always getting closer. I'm marching till it's over. Just like a soldier. Meticulous and limitless, while others out there spitting shit got hits up on the sit. I see why other artists quit, cause people don't up to 8 but 8 to live. Society is swing and miss, and honestly I get it. Promise me you won't regret it. Wasting energy, forget it. Don't look back, go on and get it. Bite the bullet just a bit. Bite your tongue and don't say shit. Make your actions hard to miss. Be a legend, not a myth. Yeah. It's obnoxious that I'm conscious. Rapping honest as promise. Try to harness. As an artist, stay modest. It's a long quest. I will not quit till 10,000 people going off. When I drop this, I gotta make it now. Swear to God, I'm breaking out. Swear to God, I'll take a bow. Stand with the crowd, cause I got it figured out. I'm just honest and I'm loud. Saying modest, but I'm proud. No, I never had a doubt. Yeah. I keep on moving forward. Always getting closer. I'm marching till it's over. And just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward. Always getting closer. Marching till it's over. If you had one shot or one opportunity to seize everything you ever wanted in one moment, would you capture it or just let it slip? Yo. His palms are sweaty, knees weak, arms are heavy. There's vomit on his sweater already. Mom's spaghetti, he's nervous, but on the surface he looks calm and ready to drop bombs. But he keeps on forgetting what he wrote down. The whole crowd goes so loud, he opens his mouth, but the words won't come out. He's choking how? Everybody's choking now. The clock's run out, time's up. Oh, wow, snap back to reality. Oh, there goes gravity. Oh, there goes gravity. Choke. He's so mad, but he won't give up. That is he know he won't have it. He knows it's all that ropes. It don't matter. He's dope. He knows that, but he's broke. He's so stacked that he knows when he goes back to this mobile home. That's when it's back to the lab again, yo.
Dostlar video Достар, видеоңыз лайкына тіркеп кеттіңіздер. Достар, міне сіздер де видео түсірулеріңіз келсе міне осы канал. Міне достар, лайк жасаңыздар. Достар, міне еще в эфирде отыр. Міне достар, көптеген міне ойындар ойнаған. Достар, видеоңыз лайкына тіркеп кеттіңіздер. Достар, сіздермен болған мен Кюстайл каналы. Сау болыңыздар.